63mm gauges, pressure and vacuum in this particular range. These are rear mounting gauge, so that the thread section, which is called a BSP, comes in through the back. These are snubbed. They have a little anti-pulse snubber hole in the middle here, and also they are liquid filled to dampen out the mechanism inside. Dual scale, PSI and KPA through the front there. 304 stainless steel crimp case, and they can be panel mounted against this section here, and if it's not panel mounted you just slide this section off and go back in. They come always with this particular component, and if you don't need it, it can be put aside and not used. There's the pressure liquid bleed hole at the top. If you ever get a gauge which the scale is slightly off at the bottom, it's because the pressure differential has changed in the atmosphere. Just open this little hole, rub it back a little piece, and it'll zero out and set for your local conditions. We'll show you at the same time in the same range a vacuum gauge for your interest. You can see in the vacuum gauge the needle is in the opposite direction because it's in vacuum. This one here is kPa in inches of mercury, 0 to 30 inches of mercury and 100 kPa. The gauge will rotate in this direction as the vacuum is pulled. Same internal configurations, brass internal is the same in both, board and tube operation, 1.6% plus or minus accuracy. It's good to have gauges operating. They can operate at full scale, but you try and operate them half scale, roughly in this sort of area for both. Gives you more accurate, better reading because you're selecting a scale which is more suitable to your pressure range or your vacuum range.